guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Lainey, and sure to subscribe. And today I'm gonna show you my squishies and count them. And my baby brother Johan, say cheese. Hey mommy, hey mommy. Okay, and his name is Johan, and I'm in my room. Where's my bed? Oh my gosh. Okay, so I'm gonna put you guys here and count. And here's my bag of squishies. There. It's gorgeous for me. So cute. And so I'm gonna count them. And first I'm gonna close my eyes and pick one out. And let's get started. Okay, first I got my little doggy squishy. It's so squishy. It has pink, white, and this hot pink. It's really squishy. It's so cute. Look at his face. Boing, boing. He's jumping. Gonna get the camera. Okay, so that's how it looks. And next, wait guys, I have this LOL. And it says, so cute, it says rock on. Squishy. So squishy. So I'm gonna put this squishy right here. Okay. Stop rolling. Stop rolling. Okay. That's how it looks. And next, I have this squishy. I'm gonna count them at the end of the video. And I have this squishy, and it's LOL, like this LOL. And this one is fast mode. And it's so squishy. I love this one. I love it because it's a bee one. It's a bee one, and it's golden. Also, I have a LOL thing. I already opened it before. I might buy things like buy toys and open them on my videos. And next I have this ice cream cone with strawberry and vanilla and a cone, and it's so squishy. If you don't know how to squish a squishy, well, it's really squishy. Oh, that's me right there, preschool. So squishy. I'm gonna put this here. So next I have this rosamush pinkish color. It's kind of ripped from here because my friend at church, her name is Fabiola. She we kind of ruined it, but it's so cute and squishy. This was my first squishy, and it's so squishy. And take a look at it. It's so cute. See, that color is cute. Stop it! I'm gonna X that out there. Okay, so yeah, squish there. Next I have this really super cute small one, and it's ice cream sandwich. It's so squishy. When you squish his head like that, squish, 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 squishy. And it has pink strawberry ice cream, vanilla, and chocolate. And here is the sandwich bread. So squishy. Take a look at that. There. Okay, so comment down below if you ever had a squishy. I mean, if you comment down below if you if you ever had a squishy. And next is this other LOL mermaid. This one's a slow mode one, and it has a shell, and I love that shell. She's so cute. I love these things on her. She has blue eyes, just like my mom, and it's really, take a look at it. It's really squishy. I'm damaging it. It looks like it. Next we have this squishy. It's a froggy with ice cream on here, and it's squishy. Take a look at it. And there. And last one. This was my second squishy, and it's I forgot what's it called, but it's a cinnamon one, and it's silver, and it's squishy. It's fast mode. See, it's fast mode. Okay, now let's count how many squishies I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Wait, let me count them again because I had 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I only have 9 squishies. Wait. 10. I have 10 squishies. Okay, Mommy. So, I have 10 squishies. Squishy. And this one, it was my first squishy. My second squishy was this one. My third one. My fourth one. My fifth one. My sixth one. My seventh one. My eighth one. And my 9th one. I must have skipped count. What?
That one's your 9th.
Yeah. And this one was my 9th one. So yeah. Thank you guys for watching this video. Bye. Peace out.